guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here, and it's really low-key, sultry, sexy, not in your face sexy, just, you know, a little toned down. I feel like this look will be perfect for a date night because of the plummy, purpley, brownish tones that it's giving off. It's just, I don't know, I think it will be good for that. And I finally used my Jackie Aina palette. I should have didn't post a video on this of me doing a makeup look, but when I first got my palette, I didn't want to use it. I wanted it to stay perfect and pretty and on display because I love Jackie Aina, and you know, your girl had to support. So I got the palette. The palette is gorgeous. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen this, but I love it. So here we are, and I spent my points, so I need to use the palette, and that's what I did. Now I may do more looks with this palette because I really like the color Dollars and Sponsored and Wigglies. Oh yes, those shadows are insane. And if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. Okay guys, so the first shadow we're going to go into is Edges, and I'm applying this color to my transition area. Now I'm going into the color Big Wig, and I'm applying this to my crease, and I'm slowly patting this color on and blending it out. Now to my outer V, I'm applying the shade Credit. I'm also sweeping this lightly into my crease as well. Of course, I'm going to cut my crease with my concealer, pat away the excess. Blending out those edges with Big Wig and Credit. And for my lid shade, I'm going to apply Lituation, and that's pretty much it. Here's the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up and share with a friend or family member, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.